The news of WhatsApp getting usernames was swirling for a while now, and now it's finally arrived, but only for a limited number of beta users. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. If you're running beta version of WhatsApp, you'll probably benefit from the new feature or may not have gotten the access just yet. But even then, the very fact that usernames are in beta suggests they'll hopefully roll out more widely soon. When you do get access to the new feature, you can head to Settings, then Profile, and from there you'll be able to create a username. The feature is live in both iOS and Android WhatsApp betas. If you prefer, you can even choose to use your Facebook or Instagram username instead of making a new one as well. And if you do create one, then there are various restrictions, including that it must be a username that isn't currently being used by someone else on any of Meta's platforms, that it must be at least 3 characters long, and that it must start with a letter, although it can also include numbers, periods, and underscores. Plus, it can't be started with www. End with a domain or exceed 35 characters in length. Users have been waiting for this feature for a long time now, especially if you're not keen on sharing your phone number with just anyone. Usernames give you that privacy. Taking it a step further, WhatsApp's also letting you add an optional 4-digit username key. So now, anyone who wants to message you will need a key as well as your username just to text you. But don't think about using WhatsApp without linking your phone number to it at all. Even if you've set up a username, you still need to link your number to WhatsApp. The only thing you're getting is not needing to share it with the people you message there. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.